Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be unboxing my January Boxycharm box. Boxycharm, if you're not aware of it, I think that they still only ship to the US, all 50 states, and Canada. They're not doing international yet, I don't think. It is $21 a month. You can, if you pay in advance, get it for less, but that's what it ultimately ends up being, is if you're not doing kind of a large like 3 months or 12 months at a time, ends up being $21 a month. And here's the box open. So this month's theme is Boxy and Chill. I'm not gonna look at the back of the card. I'm trying not to look at it because I wanna see what's in here, and then it gives you on the back the name of the item and the estimated value of it. And there were some things, kept reading kind of spoilers, and there were some things that I knew that everyone was going to get, but some things that were variables. So the first thing is this, and there were 3 different things people were getting. This was one of them. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3, and this retails for $36. What's pretty on the outside. Reminds me of the Aqua Lilies packaging. Limited edition Rainforest of the Sea. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids, and it retails for $36. This is pretty. They all look kind of similar, and I totally disagree. I think this is the one, I think Tiki here maybe is the one, what are they calling it? Matte. So they're really pretty. I will try it. I probably will not use this by itself. So my problem with this is that this is not a transition color that anyone much darker than me would be able to use. Maybe as a lid shade. I wonder when they made this palette, because they did have the whole Shape Tape debacle with like the lack of skin tone stuff. So this is pretty. The shimmers I think would probably work on multiple skin tones, but here are some of the shimmers. Those are pretty. And those would probably work well. Yeah, those are really pretty. So I almost wish that they had not put a matte in here at all, because shimmers can work on lots of different skin tones. Mattes are harder. And certainly for transition, you want something deeper than your own skin tone for a transition. All right, moving on to the next one. This one I think I didn't know was coming at all. This is a $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Retails for $18, specially carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. Self-sharpening pencil, so not self-sharpening, but it rolls up. Self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. Spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and smooth and creamy formula makes it easy for application. And the brush is nice, but I'm going to actually give this away to a friend. Not to a friend, but to the organization that I gave everything away to in my advent calendar, because I am realizing that I have a really extensive brow routine, and I've used a lot of brow pencils that I don't like. The ones that I don't like tend to be soft. The fact that they're talking about it being a smooth and creamy formula, I like my brow pencils to be a little more waxy. So I will be giving this away to that organization, but I appreciate that it's here, and I think someone will appreciate it, but I'm just going to give that away because I know it won't work for me. Next is this. Oh, this is nice. This is a Briogeo. This I think I'd heard that everyone was getting. Briogeo Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is 2 ounces, retails for $12. Effectively restores your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Milk Spray. Infused with the signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils, the spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, luster, and diminishing frizz. So I will definitely be using this. I always gravitate towards products that are going to keep me smooth and shiny. So this is great. Ooh, this I knew that was going to be in everyone's. This is awesome. There's 2 Tatcha Masks. These are Luminous Dewey Skin Face Masks. It's a 2-pack. This retails for $24. So $12 for a sheet mask is a lot of money. I don't know if I would be paying that, but that's what the retail value is. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore the skin's health and radiance. So that is 2 of these, so 12 each for $24. All right, so the last one, I knew there were going to be variations on the lip product in here, and I'm happy that I got the one that I got. There were other ones that were from Bite and other brands, but I got Ofra Havana Nights. Retails for $20. I love this formula. I'm not going to put it on now, but and I will definitely be keeping this. It dries down fairly matte, but it's still kind of moisturizing. I never have the feeling that my lips need to be replenished or anything when I'm wearing this. It's always a very emollient product. I'm really trying to struggle for words that are other than moist and moisture in my head right now. A matte lipstick delivers a long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. I would still line, but they're saying that it outlines. Stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day, and this retails for $20. So I'm pretty happy with this box. I'm going to keep everything except for the brow spoolie, which I'll donate. But yeah, if you got this box, let me know what you got in yours. I know that there were variations, and I'm curious to see what everybody got. And thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.